Let me introduce you to a progressive virtual meeting provider that is going to completely replace the need for real-life meetings. Welcome to ConferWeb. ConferWeb is a browser-based video meeting solution that does not require any downloads. Your meeting is only a click away. Our video meeting solution is perfect for corporations that need to support large all-hands meetings and small companies that wish to have a conversation with their personnel and partners. Sharing your screen with other participants has never been so easy. You can choose to share an entire screen, an application, or a browser tab straight into the meeting. Each meeting has its own whiteboard and unique features. For example, you can upload a picture or a PDF file and have anyone in the meeting draw on it. After the meeting, the whiteboard can be easily saved as a file. You can also share files directly for instant access by all participants in the meeting. And yes, we're available on any device of your choice, so you can meet anyone anywhere. Interested? Contact us.